Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing, a really common maintenance item on most Toyotas, and that's going to be the cabin air filter. So we're sitting in my luxurious 98 Lexus LS 400, and I'm going to go through the process of how to switch that out. So step one, open your messy glove box. Complete. Now you'll notice on this car, and I really like this, there's a little removable panel, so you just kind of pull up on that and get it out of the way, and that's going to reveal this. And there's a little thing right there, a little tab on either side. I'm trying to do this while looking through the phone. It's not very easy, but it is pretty easy. Just pull that out. Ugh, probably should give that a wipe. I'm not going to, but I should. And then, I'm trying to remember, it's been a while since I've done this. This actually lifts up, I think. Or it pulls down, I think, yeah. So it just kind of pulls down and yank this little cartridge out. Oh boy, look at all of that. That's nice. Yeah. Probably a good time to replace it. Now, my mechanic, when I was at his shop, sold me a filter, and he didn't remember if it was the right filter. So we're gonna see. I usually just order these online, but I was in a hurry, and just ordered it online. Let's see. Yeah, man, I think that's the same. Yeah, that'll work. So, yeah, airflow. So you want the arrow up. Like that. And so we're going to go ahead and pull this out. This one looks way thicker, though. I don't know if that's going to be an issue. We'll try. We'll see. All right, I'll be back. All right, so what I've done, I'm going to be returning this to my mechanic, that's for sure. I just went ahead and kind of shook out the old filter. And it's not that old, it's probably about a year old, but I haven't, it probably only has 3,000 miles on it or something. So I just went ahead and kind of shook it out, tried to get some of the debris out of there. And then I'm just gonna reinstall it for now, so I can show the process to you guys. Yeah, see that fits. And you just kind of tuck that right back up in there. And then we'll take the white panel, just kind of line up the tabs at the top, which I can't see. There we go. You can't see either. Perfect. And just kind of give it a little wiggle, make sure that both tabs snapped in. You take this panel, line it back up on your glove box. Boom. It's as easy as that. Hope that was helpful. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Sorry we didn't actually replace the air filter, but at least you know how to do it now. Like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.